where the Hondas are, super reliable and functional, and that they can also be a little bit bland and a little bit boring in comparison to something like this. This bike really, I don't know, it just has a lot of feedback and a lot of, it's just so pleasurable to ride and just so fun to ride. And since I've put these Mini Ape handlebars on, I've done a few rides now with these, and it's even more fun, to be honest. I really, really like these bars, and I won't be going back to the drag bars or any other bar at this stage. I'm super happy with these. It just gives a really nice feel. They're comfortable. They feel cool. I still have all the control I need, and I have noticed zero. What can I say? I want to say I ride this bike just as hard as I did with the more sporty drag bars. It hasn't compromised my spirited riding in any way, shape or form. It handles equally as well, and I find it equally as easy to ride quick with these bars as I did the drag handlebars. So for me, my Indian experience has been great.